Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in South Tampa. We're here for a new customer. We're gonna be doing the rust removal job here. They're on a well system, and there's a lot of rust on the driveway. They just recently got the well system fixed, so this won't be happening anymore. So today we gotta clean it up. They have it all over the sidewalks, the side of the house, as well as the pool deck in the back. We're gonna be using we're gonna be using Pink Power from Ameritech today. I just got a 5-gallon pail this morning for about 80 bucks. And I'm gonna get it done. I know I can use oxalic and many other things, which you guys have seen me use in the past. But today, that's what we're gonna be using. That's what was readily available and quick for me to get today. So with that said, I'm gonna show you guys the job. If you haven't yet, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. If you got questions, just ask, and hit the bell for new content. Let's check the job out. All right, to start here, we got the rust on the pool deck. Here, you can see it all along here. Got some planters right here. The planters got some rust on them as well. I'm gonna spray those down. Before I start, I will clean the deck and also the concrete in the front, just to get all that dirt and stuff off, and it may take a layer of the rust off as well. You can see over here we have a lot of it. It's all on the wall. Got it on the fence right there. Look at that, all over the place. This walkway is crazy. This thing is super rusty. So they're on the corner lot. This is the end of the sidewalk. You can see the sidewalk is very dirty. And we got the rust on the edges. So therefore we have to spray the solution after we clean. We can't put the rust remover on top of this, because it's gonna leave a clean spot. And it's not gonna look good at all. All over the sidewalks. Man, it's a lot of rust. I got 5 gallons of the Pink Power, and I think I got like another 3 gallons of leftover from before. So that'll be plenty. You can see it on the pillars as well, and right here at the bottom on these bricks. It's a sprinkler system right there. All right, so we're gonna downstream some sodium hypochlorite to start off, and then surface clean, rinse it off, and then apply the rust remover after. We're gonna probably do I'm gonna start weak so I don't waste it. I'll probably do maybe a 3-to-1 and see how that works. If it works good, I'll keep it. If not, we may bump it up a little bit. We got plenty to work with. You guys stay tuned. We're gonna get started and get this show on the road. All right, you guys, you can see what the sidewalks are looking like now. Just got done cleaning the front walkway and the sidewalk. I also did the curbing. Curbing looking brighter so far. Got a nice layer off that, you know, was looking pretty rusty. So now we're gonna go ahead and keep going to the back, and then we'll come back and do the application of the rust remover. we're done cleaning the driveway, sidewalks, and I did the pool deck as well. You guys can see a good amount of the rust came off. The middle of the driveway didn't have it much. You just mainly had it right here on the edges. And of course this thing here, you can see it's brighter as well. Clean the sidewalks, the curbs. Now we're gonna do the rust removal. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit on me right now. You can see they got a bad drainage. The water is it's nowhere for it to go. Their drain is clogged. But you got, like I said, the rust on the edges, especially on this side here, and there's planters right here. So we're gonna go ahead and mix our paint power. Like I said, you can use oxalic acid, F9 bark, rust aid. I'll show you guys all the products that I use on this channel, so I've used them all. So today we're using paint power from Ameritech down here in Tampa. This is what we're using. So they say you use it 1 to 60 cold water, 1 to 80 hot water. I'm gonna apply with a downstream. Use a pump sprayer. You can mix 2 ounces per gallon. So if you're using it in a pump up, 2 ounces per gallon. I got my electric sprayer. I'm gonna make 6 gallons. So 6 times 2 is 12. So 12 ounces. I might bump it up a little bit more, just to make sure, you know, I don't have to go over it so many times. I might go like 4 ounces per gallon of water. I never done it through the downstream injector. I didn't even know you could do that. That's pretty cool. I don't know, I might do that. Wonder how that works. Should I do it for you guys just to see? Yeah, I'm gonna give it a try with the downstream and see what happens. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna give it a test with a downstream and see what happens. I've never done it. I think it's pretty cool to try. So we're gonna try it on this driveway area now. And yeah, we'll try it on the driveway and see what happens. All right, so I sprayed the driveway and the sidewalk on this side here. I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna do the pump sprayer, the pail sprayer on the rest of the sidewalks, and then we'll do a test, give it a few minutes, and see what happens and if it comes off. We just got done putting the first coat down on here. It's looking much brighter. See a little bit left over, which I will go back through and hit one more time, like stuff like this that's kind of darker. I may bump the mix up a little bit, but for the meantime, I know it's gonna take this stuff off right here for sure. That's on these pillars. And I will rinse it off as well. The sidewalks in the driveway don't necessarily have to be. You can see it's already gone. But oh, look at this side. Watch this. The pillars on the house, I rinse those off. Been raining the last 30 minutes or so. A little sprinkle, which I'll take because it's been so hot. Definitely not complaining. I'm not gonna stop. See, his pillars looking nice and white now. Make sure there's not none on the back side of it. All right. We're gonna go around into the pool deck. You should be able to see a whole lot better. Let's see what we're looking like back there. This only been sprayed for about, give or take, about a minute. I can see a little bit of remnants on the side, but you can see a major difference from where the rust, where I stopped. You can see this way here, super rusty compared to here. The area's cleaned up, got a little bit more right here. Like I said, I'm gonna continue spraying everything going to the pool deck, which I've already cleaned. Should be out here pretty soon, y'all. All right, we just got done spraying the pavers. They're looking pretty good, man. Really good. I'm gonna rinse them off now. Let me show you guys the back. And I'll also show you guys the downstream one that I did on the driveway. Look at this. I gotta hit this painters one more time. Probably with a stronger mix, but you guys can see all this right here, and all that rust on this side. Yes, sir. There's some rust on this area right here. I just sprayed that. And these steps and this wall right here. Like I said, water just remains there. It's not going nowhere. But everything around the borders came out really, really good. I'm super happy with the results. So we're gonna rinse it off, and then I'll show you guys the driveway. All right, so this is the part that I downstream. It looks kind of good, man, actually, but I think it can look better, and I got extra mix on here from the back. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it on the driveway, but it looks a whole lot brighter because over here was full of rust, and you guys can see it looks good, but it's still a little bit left over. And also down here at the bottom of the driveway, you can see right here as well, there's some leftover rust. So we're gonna treat those with the mix that I have in this bucket, and then hit a few spots on the house, and then we'll do a full walk around, show you guys the rest of the property. All right, finally done with this project. Check out the sidewalks first. Still kind of wet, but definitely no more rust. And no telling how long this been on here. She's gonna be happy with it once it dries. If I can come by, although this is South Tampa, I don't come down this way too much. If I can come by when it's super dry, I'll show you guys another recap and put it at the end of this video. But I'm definitely not driving back down here for a picture. Show you guys the front pillars. Got all that rust off of those things right there. Let's go check out the pool deck. All right, this is the pool area. She's looking spiffy. Yes, sir. Spirited planters. Got a little bit of rust on there. That was just a courtesy cleaning. Wasn't part of the quote. Got them the best I could. But I was here for this pool deck and the driveway sidewalks. And, you can see everything is good to go here. Let's go check out that walkway. Get my tripod. This is the walkway here. Big difference from what it was earlier. This thing was so orange. And of course the driveway is looking good. Sir.